Unicom ERP is a complete ERP solution, including accounting, purchase, sales, inventory management, manufacturing, fixed asset management and all other necessary functions required for a business organization. Manufacturing module in Unicom ERP system is a software component designed to streamline and manage various aspects of the manufacturing process within an organization. Key features and functionalities of a manufacturing module in Unicom ERP system are bill of quantities, production order, and production costing. Reports associated with manufacturing are production order, detailed BOQ, production order by date. The BOQ module of Unicom ERP helps to manage the hierarchical list of components, sub-assemblies, and raw materials needed to produce a finished good. To access the BOQ module, navigate to the business menu and select manufacturing. Then, choose bill of quantities from the options. This will display the BOQ screen. First you have to click on the Add New button. All the items are listed here. Then you have to choose the finished good you want to make here. Then choose the raw materials for producing that good. Raw materials typically refer to the basic materials or components that are used in the manufacturing processes. And specify the quantity of raw materials required. After that, you can click on the Insert button. We can see the item ID, item name, item description, and the unit for each item. And the quantity in the grid. We can add all the raw materials needed for producing the item. After all the raw materials and quantities are inserted, you can make printout from the Print button. Here is the print format. Here we can see the another important feature, production costing. Production cost of a finished good involves determining the total cost incurred during the manufacturing process to produce one unit of the finished product. Here we can see the unit cost of the raw materials needed to manufacture one unit of the finished product. The sum of the unit costs of raw materials is the unit cost of the finished good. Calculating the production cost of a finished good is essential for pricing the product competitively, managing expenses, and ensuring profitability. Next we have to look on the another key feature of manufacturing. That's production order. Production order in Unicom ERP is a document or instruction that authorizes the production or manufacturing of a specific quantity of a product within a defined time frame. To access the module, navigate to the business menu and select manufacturing. Then, choose production order from the options. This will display the production order history screen. This screen allows you to view and manage your history records. You can use the Add New button to create a new record, the Delete button to remove a selected record. You can also filter your records by using the two options available, posting type and warehouse. To search for records within a specific time period, use the date range option and enter the start and end dates. Filters are a feature that allows you to view different types of production order entries, such as all, posted, unposted, or deleted ones. And you can use warehouse-wise filter also. To enter a new production order, click on the Add New button. A new window will open where you can fill in the production order details. First you have to enter the date. Then you have to choose the warehouse. Once the production order is completed, the finished goods are stored in the warehouse we have chooses here. Then set the start date and end date. These dates define the timeline within which a specific production order is scheduled to begin and end. Then you have to set the percentage of completion and narration for the production order. Then you have to choose the item and the quantity. If the item has batch, you can make the track number and expiry date of the product. Otherwise you can set quantity for the item. After that, you can click on the Insert button to view the production order in the grid. Once you complete the production order, you need to post this production order. To post a production order, you need to use the Action button option. First, select the Post and Print option from the menu. Then, click on the Go Action button and confirm your entry. This will complete the posting process. Now we can see the print with all the details regarding this production order. Next, we can see the reports associated with manufacturing. To access the reports, navigate to the Report menu and select Manufacturing. There are 3 reports associated with manufacturing. Production Order, Detailed BOQ, Production Order by Date, that is a chart-based report. Choose the first report option. Production Order. You can select the date range and click on the Generate Report option. It will display the basic details, like start date and end date, percentage of completion, warehouse, and narration of production order. Then click on the Production Order ID. We get the detailed report, including all the raw materials, their unit, and standard cost of each raw material. Unit price is the cost of producing one finished good. Click on the Export option. We get the report in Excel format. If you need the report in PDF format, click on the Print to PDF option. Next is the detailed BOQ report. Here we can see the feature of production costing. Production costing is the process of determining and tracking the costs associated with manufacturing a product or providing a service. You can choose the product from here. It will display all the raw materials, quantity, and the unit cost of the raw materials needed to manufacture one unit of the finished product. The sum of the unit costs of raw materials is the unit cost of the finished good. Next is the Production Order by Date report. It is a chart-based report. You can choose the start date and end date. Click on the Print button. You can get the chart-based report based on production order and completion.